Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad grow a garden. Start by choosing healthy lettuce cuttings and deep pots to encourage root growth. Use loose potting mix, add slow-release fertilizer, and keep soil moist but not soggy. Place containers in full sun for 6 to 8 hours daily or partial shade for hot afternoons. Harvest outer leaves regularly to stimulate new growth and replant seedlings every 4 to 6 weeks. Healthy soil and steady watering are the backbone of any salad garden. Improve drainage with compost and avoid compacted soil that starves roots of air. Water at the base, not the leaves, to prevent disease and waste less water. Mulch with straw or leaves to lock moisture and suppress weeds. Monitor soil moisture with a finger test and adjust watering frequency as temperatures change. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy garden guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading planting guides in sun or shade, and it fits in a garden tote nicely. It makes reference and recipe hunting effortless while you work outside. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Pests and overcrowding can ruin a salad patch, but simple steps help. Inspect plants daily and handpick slugs, caterpillars, and beetles before they multiply. Use lightweight row covers to keep flying pests out while allowing light and rain through. Trim inner leaves to improve airflow and reduce fungal issues. Rotate lettuce and brassicas with other families to keep soil healthy and pests confused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.